major lapse that's seen in this particular case at this point of time, definitely in terms of investigation as well, given that there were police officers, there were authority personnel who were present there when Shivam Mishra was dragged out of that car after the accident, and yet he was allowed to go away and let go of. Now, viewers, let us take you through a report. In a major twist to this very case, the Kanpur tobacco tycoon KK Mishra has denied that his son Shivam was driving the Lamborghini involved in the crash, claiming that the vehicle was being driven by a hired chauffeur when it malfunctioned and caused the accident that injured 6 people and damaged other vehicles. However, cops say that they have evidence to prove that it was Shivam who was at the wheel. Let's quickly take you through this entire report, which covers what all has happened and what all has been said by the accused's father.
Over 2 days after the Lamborghini crash in Kanpur, VVIP brat Shivam Mishra still remains at large. Mishra, who is a director in Bansidhar Tobacco Group, has evaded police questioning so far. And now his father, tobacco baron KK Mishra, has floated a new theory to defend Shivam, putting all blame on the driver.
जब ड्राइवर से पूछा गया तो उसने कहा ये थोड़ा सा एकदम से कुछ बेहोश होने लगे तो ध्यान उसका भटक गया ड्राइवर का, तो उसने लेफ्ट साइड में वो बैठे हुए थे तो उनको हाथ से पकड़ने की कोशिश की कि अचानक ये झुकते क्यों चले जा रहे हैं, तो उसने ब्रेक मारी, वो गाड़ी एकदम से रुक गई। तब तक किसी से टकरा गई या जिससे भी कोई बेचारा व्यक्ति होगा उसके पैर में चढ़ी, मुझे नहीं मालूम है।
Shivam's lawyer claims the accused has been taken to Delhi for medical treatment.
ड्राइवर ने बताया है कि गाड़ी को चला रहा था मोहन नाम का व्यक्ति, बगल की सीट में ये शिवम बैठे हुए थे। शिवम को अचानक कुछ चक्कर आने लगा, चक्कर आने की वजह से जो सामने से टेम्पो आ रही थी उसने इनकी गाड़ी में साइड में टक्कर मारी। सबने देखा वीडियो में कि वो कुछ अस्वस्थ और बीमार थे, उनको लोग उठा के ले गए हैं, तो यहाँ से उनको दिल्ली भेज दिया गया और दिल्ली में उनके जो फैमिली डॉक्टर उनका ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं, उसके मेडिकल वगैरह सब आ गए हैं।
The Kanpur police chief, however, claims they have enough evidence to prove it was Shivam who was driving the Lamborghini.
उनका अधिवक्ता कुछ भी कहें, लेकिन हमारी जांच में शिवम मिश्रा जो है गाड़ी को ड्राइव कर रहे थे और उन्हीं के खिलाफ वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Families of those injured in the crash allege Shivam Mishra wasn't named in the FIR initially and that the car received special privileges at police station with bouncers guarding it and misbehaving with victims in police presence. India Today has accessed the CCTV images of the crash. The footage shows Shivam Mishra's bouncers run towards the car, grab him and flee the spot in another car. Shivam was allegedly driving at a high speed when his Lamborghini struck 6 pedestrians, leaving them with serious injuries. Another video of the Lamborghini movements before crash clearly shows that tinted glass was used by Shivam Mishra, which is a violation of traffic safety rules. With Simit Chawla in Kanpur, Bureau Report, India Today.